For many of us, when we think business credit card travel rewards, we think free flights and holiday upgrades. I'm here to turn that thought into a reality and show you not only where you can go, with examples of the flights we found that can get you there, but also how you can boost your Avios pot so you can jet off sooner. The first step is to choose a credit card for your business that lets you earn rewards or points that you can then put towards travel. With the British Airways American Express Accelerating Business Card, for example, you can earn Avios on your business spending. Avios, for those that don't know, is the rewards currency used by British Airways and its partners such as Iberia and Aer Lingus. The trick to maximising your Avios is to not only use the card for all eligible business spending, but to also take advantage of Avios boosting bonuses throughout the year. As a baseline, with this card you'll earn 1.5 Avios for every £1 spent. New customers will also get a bonus of 30,000 Avios when they spend £5,000 on the card in the first 3 months of opening the account. On top of that, you'll also get a bonus of 10,000 Avios every time you spend £20,000 on the card, up to a total of 30,000 Avios a year. So for that £60,000 spend, you'd earn 150,000 Avios for your first year of card membership. And you can get the team to help top up your shared Avios pot with up to 20 employee cards. Just remember that the main account holder is responsible for all the bills. And this card does come with a £250 annual fee. Once you have all those Avios, it's time to figure out where to go. So here are 5 underrated travel hotspots for Inspo. Forget the Amalfi Coast. 2024 is all about the Pontine Coast and the beautiful city of Terracina. We're talking waterfront views, quieter beaches, and spectacular seafood dinners that won't break your budget. Terracina is less than 2 hours drive south from Rome, and we found a return reward flight saver with British Airways from London Heathrow to Rome in mid-June for 23,500 Avios plus £1 per person. Check the Reward Flight Saver T's and C's in the video description below to make sure you're eligible before booking. Girona is our less crowded and more budget-friendly alternative to neighbouring city Barcelona. But with Game of Thrones filming locations, cheap beer and charming countryside villages, it's no second-best selection. Girona is a short drive or 40-minute train from Barcelona, and we found a return reward flight saver with British Airways from London Heathrow to Barcelona in mid-June for 23,500 Avios plus £1 per person. The island of Malta is one of Lonely Planet's best in-travel picks for 2024 and a personal favourite of mine. It's a great place to unwind with prehistoric temples, scuba diving and beautiful coastline to explore. To get to Malta, we found a return reward flight saver with British Airways from London Gatwick to Malta in mid-June for 27,500 Avios plus £1 per person. With a bustling multicultural city, beaches and beautiful walks around Lake Ontario, Toronto offers city life with a side of the great outdoors. Check out the iconic city skyline, then head off for a paddle or kayak around the Toronto Islands. We found a return reward flight saver with British Airways from London Heathrow to Toronto in mid-June for 50,000 Avios, plus £100 per person. Yamagata is a short train ride from Tokyo and well worth it. The region offers mountains, incredible skiing, and the hot spring area of Jinsan Onsen. Yamagata is just under 2 hours, 30 minutes from Tokyo by bullet train, an iconic experience in itself. To get there, we found World Traveller Plus tickets to Tokyo with British Airways, starting at 100,000 Avios plus £380 per person, flying on a weekday in June. For even more information on everything we've covered in this video, check out our full guide on finder.com by clicking this link here. Different cards will suit different people and businesses, so it's always a great idea to compare a whole range. Whether the BA Amex Accelerating Business Card is right for your business would largely depend on how much you travel and how much you spend. For example, you'll get the most out of this card if you fly regularly and spend at least £60,000 a year. If you're a much smaller business, you might struggle to justify the £250 fee. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and hit the bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching.